patient has been prescribed 345 milligrams of carbamazepine suspension. The stock there is 200 milligrams in 5 mils. How many mils would you administer? Right, so it's a volume question. Need our volume formula. The volume required there is the amount prescribed multiplied by the unit volume all over, or divided by the amount per unit volume. And before we go filling in the formula, let's check do a unit check. We've mg's here, and we've mg's here. So our units, we're happy with our units. So now we can fill in the amount prescribed is 345 mg's multiplied by the unit volume. That's the volume the stuff comes in, and that's 5 mils. All divided by the amount per unit volume. That's the amount that comes in, and that's 200. So we have 200 down here, 200 mg's. Now the mg's cancel, and now we're left with a bit of cancelling to do here in the numbers. So 5 into 5 goes once, 5 into 200 goes 40 times, right? And now we're left with, let's write it out here, 345 over 40. Again, 5 will divide into both of these. So 5 into 40 goes 8 times. 5 into 34 goes 6 times, and 4 over 5 into 45 goes 9 times. So we're left with 69 divided by 8, which is a little bit awkward. So we have 69.00. We divide that by 8. 8 into 6 doesn't go. 8 into 69. 8 8s are 64. So it goes 8 times and 5 remaining. Bring down a decimal point now. 8 into 50. 6 8s are 48. So it goes in 6 times and 2 over. And then we have 8 into 20. Goes twice. 2 8s are 16. 4 remaining. And 8 into 40 then goes 5 times evenly, and we're done. So that's the amount of mils exactly, 8.625 mils. 8.625 mils. Now you might round that up to the nearest whole mil. So that's a 0.6. If it's a 0.5 or bigger there, we round up. So this is approximately 9 mils, or it is 9 mils rounded to the nearest mil. So if your machine or whatever you're using to administer was only calibrated in whole mils, you'd go to 9 mils there.